Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Monday and I actually am going to a photo shoot tonight, which is perfect timing for a ginormous zit to form on my face. That being said, I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. I washed my hair last night, so when I straighten it, it looks all like clean and nice. And then I'm going to make the bed, and I actually have a really exciting appointment later today as well. I'm doing like a workout class, a Legree class, so I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna get ready now, brush my teeth, wash my face, do a little bit of skincare, maybe read my book. I also did the tree last night, and the tree is purple and blue, and it's looking so cute. I just love the colors together. It just really brings everything together. So on that note, I'm going to wash my face, and the face wash I'm going to use today is this vitamin C cleansing foam. We went to Shoppers yesterday in hopes of finding the Rem Beauty Wicked collab, but sadly they only had the lip oil, so we went back home, but I did pick up some facial masks there. I also have a few from Dr. Jart, so I might do that because my face is feeling really dry this morning. Despite the fact I put a face mask on last night, overnight, but it feels like super dry. You know when your skin feels like super tight and dry and you can barely move it? So I'm either gonna use one of these. I also have this from the Body Shop, so we'll see how I'm feeling. I feel like I just need the most hydration possible, so maybe we'll do one of these guys. My face always feels so clean after using that facial cleanser. I love K-Beauty. It always makes my skin feel so good after. I think I'm going to go with this Dr. Jart face mask. If I have one left, let's see. Yes, I have exactly one left. So today is the day I'm going to use it. I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes. All right, I did some skincare, I just threw in some laundry, and now I'm gonna make the bed and then put away and fold clean laundry. I know my life is so interesting, but this is my typical Monday morning, I guess. So let's quickly make the bed. I'm just going to like listen to a podcast or something and put you guys on fast. So let's do it quickly. I just straightened my hair for today for the photo shoot. I'm gonna do some makeup. I don't really know what to wear because I kind of have an idea of what everybody else is wearing, and I definitely want to go with like the theme, but I don't really know that I have anything that's in my closet that goes, so I'll have to do a little look around there. But first, let's do some makeup and maybe that'll inspire me. I think I'm just gonna do like very basic makeup. And since I straightened my hair, I don't know why I straightened it before doing my makeup, honestly, but since I straightened my hair, I'm gonna try to do the loosest ponytail ever. I also need to pack the straightener because I'm going to a Legree class right before. So I know my hair is not going to be straight since I'll be sweaty and working hard, and I'll need to have my hair out of my face when I'm working out. I don't want to put on too much makeup before the Legree class because I know I'll sweat it off, so maybe I'll do like no foundation, no base, just kind of like eye makeup, because if I'm sweating, I feel like the worst thing to do is like put stuff on my face. Also, this pimple is not getting any smaller, so I don't really want to cover it. I just want to let it breathe. So hopefully it can get a little bit smaller. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna use some of these shimmery chrome-like shades because that's also one of the themes of the photo shoot, for the kids at least. It's like a chrome theme, so I can do some chrome makeup, but I don't own anything chrome, so I can't wear anything chrome. I think most of the teachers are just gonna wear black anyways, so that's easy. I just love how festive this eyeshadow is. It's so cute and so shimmery. Cute. I'm also going to use this Urban Decay waterproof eye pencil, and it's in the color Space Cowboy. It's like shimmery. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use this as well. And last but not least, ooh, that was not English. Last but not least, some mascara. All right, guys, it is, oh my goodness, it is Tuesday. And I feel so good after that Legree class yesterday. I'm actually going to film a workout for my YouTube channel. Hence the reason I'm in all workout gear. And this entire outfit is from Popflex. This little top is actually something I opened in the last vlog. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out. But this top is so cute with the sports bra. They're both from Popflex. The pants are also from Popflex, and I have like these pockets on them, which is so nice. And they're seamless. so no camel toe, and I just think they're really flattering. So like I said, I'm gonna do a bit of a workout. I'm gonna put on a bit of makeup, just like mascara. This big old pimple is so painful, but we are going to persist with the workout, and I'm just gonna leave it, let it air out. I don't leave the house today for work, so I'll just let it be, as the Beatles would say. But anyways, here's the fit. How did you like it? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Wednesday, and went grocery shopping yesterday, thank goodness, because we were pretty much out of food in the house. So I'm having a bagel with some raspberries and my morning coffee. I'm just going to answer some emails and then edit a vlog before I do a ballet class as well. And I have a couple of other work things that I need to get done. I'm still so sore from that Legree class from 2 days ago. I'm also really sore because I got like my booster and my flu shot yesterday. So I'm pretty sore in general, and my arm is in so much pain. But that being said, I'm going to still do a ballet class and move my body a little bit. I might also go on a walk today because it's actually really gorgeous outside. This morning I woke up and there was frost. That's right, frost on the ground. So we're getting closer to Christmas and the holidays and snow. Not looking forward to that last one, but I will be ready this winter because I already have my tires on my car. I have my boots ready. I think my mitts and my gloves and jacket and snow pants are all good for the season, so I'm ready this year. We also have our main tree out down here, but we have yet to decorate it because Steven was away last week, and he's away right now actually. He's at work. So I still have to wait for him decorate the tree, because our tradition is that we have like hot chocolates, we decorate the tree together one night. Usually it's like December 1st we do that, I feel like. So I'm just getting things ready early because I'm so excited for the holidays. I just cannot wait. And I know the time goes like this from now to the holidays. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a couple of admin things on my computer, eat my breakfast, and then do a ballet class. I genuinely cannot get over how cute these sheets are. Like every time I either crawl into bed late at night or I'm making the bed, I just think of how happy these sheets make me. And I know that's such a silly thing to say, but like, are you kidding? There's gotta be some kind of science behind serotonin that you get when you see cute sheets like this, because it reminds me of like when you're a kid and you have like fun bed sheets, right? And these are just so cute and aesthetic. I love them. So I'm gonna make the bed first and then do some laundry and then probably do a ballet class, because I feel like I'm always behind in laundry, if I'm being honest. I mean, for real, how cozy and comfy does that look, especially with this new throw? I'm obsessed. Now onto the laundry. There's something about winter and colder months that just makes me want to like nest in the house and just cozy up, do chores, not really be in like a hustle or anything, just like take it easy and cuddle up. I think it's because it's cold and it's close to the holidays, and I know the holidays are always so crazy. Like we're going from this place to that place, here to there. I know, very specific, but you know what I mean. Like holidays are always visiting family and friends and planning things. There's Christmas and then Christmas Eve and New Year's and etc. So I just feel like now is the time to relax and use the time that I have now to relax and read my book. Speaking of which, I'm still reading A Court of Mist and Fury, and I read some more last night. It's getting so good. I'm so excited to continue reading that today. And because this is not an interesting part of my day, I'm just gonna catch you guys later. All right, guys, I'm still in my pajamas. I just love these pajamas. These were a Christmas gift a few years ago, and all the girls in Steve's side of the family have these matching pajamas, and I love that they have pockets, first of all. Second of all, yes, I'm still in pajamas. It's 11 a.m. I am going to get changed for a ballet class, but I'm so sore today. I feel like I really need to roll out. I did a bubble bath last night, and I feel like that helped a lot. Had I not, I probably would have been a lot more sore. But like I said, I'm still sore from that Legree class, so I'm gonna roll out my muscles a little bit, stretch, and then do a flat ballet class because my calves are also incredibly sore. So I cannot bear putting on pointe shoes today, so it's a flat ballet class for me. I'm wearing this Yumiko. It's like this black Yumiko with the espresso trim, and I just love the zipper. It's so much fun to do up and to do down. And then I'm also wearing tights on top, not even an argument, my Lululemon shorts, and like I said, my flat ballet shoes. So let's do a bit of a ballet class, and I'm gonna tie my hair up so it's not in the way as well. I'm honestly just going to tie my hair back in like hair elastics because I'm just doing a flat ballet bar today, so I don't really need it to be super secure or even remotely secure since I'll be just at the bar. I won't be turning or anything, but I do like to have my hair back, so I'll just do a ponytail or even just a little bun.